Friends, good morning. This is Gautam from Netrapads. Currently, we are in cocktail series. Today topic is summer season food. See guys, you can see this is the neem leaf. In India, you can find everywhere. Near roadsides also, we can easily find this one. The neem leaves will be good for birds' health, and birds will like neem leaves. And see, you can see as soon as I put, everybody will come and they were testing the neem leaf. And you can see what is the benefits of neem leaves. Actually, the neem leaves will good for deworming, digesting food, and good one is like reducing the body heat, and birds will get refreshed. This is the main thing we have to give whenever we get a new birds, or we can give monthly, two times continuously, 2 or 3 days, so it will be good for birds digestion, and it will clean the stomach of the birds. And other thing, you can see this one is the drumstick leaf. This one also we can easily get this one in the grocery shop or nearby neighbor's house. They used to keep this one, and this also it good for birds health, and birds will like this taste also. See, you can see here also we can put in the cage, the birds will come and taste it within a second. Yeah, this drumstick leaf contains vitamin C, calcium, protein, and amino acid also. So we can see what are the benefit this drumstick leaves has. Like it is good for nervous system, and other thing is it will reduce the unwanted fat in the bird's body. Yes, and it protects the cell damage also. It will boost the immunity system. So we have to give this one at least monthly, 1 or 2 times, 1 or 2 days, that is fine, but we should not forget it. We should give this one. This is good one. Yeah, and the next one is the seed mix. So seed mix, I have mixed so many seeds, and each seeds have their own benefits. Like it will have some different benefits for the birds when the birds will have this one. So we can find those seeds near your grocery shop or the supermarket, and I will tell you what are the seeds I have mixed in this one seed mix. The first one is millet, and then the red other one is the red millet, and next is the rye, paddy, flaxseed, sunflower seed, safflower seed, niger seed, alpha seed. So we have to reduce this sunflower and safflower seed whenever we will be in the summer. So we have to give little amount, not more, because it will reduce the more fat in the body. The seed mix is good for breeding time and the chicks also. So it will be really good if you give mixed seed in the breeding season or anytime. It is good. And the next one is like a choke food. It is really good for birds health, and we have to give at least weekly 1 or 2 times. The mixed choke food contains the chickpeas, groundnut, wheat, beans, algae, lentils, and gram dal. What we have to do, we have to take all these seeds and put it in a bowl, and we have to put 1 or 2 glasses of water based on the quantity of the seeds you have used, and then you can keep it more than 8 to 12 hours. And after that, we have to take all the seeds and put it in a cotton towel and tied it for 6 to 7 hours. Once it's sprouted, then we have to take those seeds out. We can directly feed to the birds, or we can put it in the mixie or granite, and if you give this one, birds will not waste your food. So this also very good for your birds. Yeah, please give it in the breeding time for better result. The next one is the corn. You can get it nearby shops also. We can give at least 1 or 2 times in a week. The birds will like this corn also. It will be good for birds health also. You can see what are the benefit of this corn contains. It has the more fiber content, vitamin B, zinc, magnesium, copper, and iron. Yeah, this corn and the choke food, we can give it to our birds at the time of breeding, because the breeding time the birds will need more healthy food, so we can give this. And after egg hatching also we have to give these foods, because if birds will feed this to your chicks, so chicks will grow faster. Yeah, chicks immunity system also will get improved if you give these foods. and then our birds health also will improve, because once the clutch is taken our birds will be dull. So if we give these foods, our birds health will get improve very fast. You can see the difference. Please don't forget to give this one item at least weekly once. Yeah, and the next item is cuttlefish bone. So we can get it in the pet shops. So it is more rich in calcium. So this is the pure calcium, because we are getting it from the fish. So what we have to do, we have to keep this calcium bone in your cage, because birds will need this anytime, because whenever they need they can come and they can take it, because this will be very important in the breeding time, because the eggs, you can get the good eggs if you give this one. Otherwise you can see the dummy eggs or unfertile eggs will be there. So please don't forget to keep this in your bird's cage. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video, thank you for supporting me, thank you.